Ford hasn't kept the upcoming F-150 Lightning a secret, as proven by the F-150 Lightning's 100,000 pre-order counts in just the first 3 weeks after the electric vehicle was officially unveiled, and also the fact that the vehicle is currently sold out and unavailable, nearing almost 200,000 pre-orders. The Lightning shares much of the body and cabin of the regular F-150, but replaces the truck's gasoline-powered V6 and V8 engine options with a pair of electric motors and one of 2 different battery packs. The standard range battery is claimed to go up to 230 miles on a single charge, while the extended range juice pack goes up to 320 miles. However, by the time the 2022 F-150 Lightning hits the market, it will not be the only all-electric pickup truck on the market. GMC Hummer EV is coming along nicely, although Rivian has officially beat Ford to market. However, neither of those trucks has the strength of the F-150 name behind it, and the electric version of America's favorite truck will undoubtedly be an amazing piece when it goes on sale in spring 2022. While it bears the name of a previous Ford performance model, the F-150 Lightning is an entirely new vehicle for the Ford truck range for the 2022 model year. The EV pickup comes standard with all-wheel drive and can tow up to 10,000 pounds. Let's dig a little deeper and take a look at what else we know about the truck so far. Performance. So much power. 2 electric motors and all-wheel drive are standard on all F-150 Lightning trims. The motors combine to produce 452 horsepower with the standard range battery, but with the extended range battery, the horsepower figure jumps to 580, and peak torque is a remarkable 775 pound-feet with either configuration. Ford has also filed patents for a portable range extender motor disguised as one of those bed-mounted toolboxes. If there isn't a charging station nearby, the engine will kick in to replenish the battery. So far, we haven't seen a real-life prototype of such a notion, but it might be available as an add-on option to the F-150 Lightning at launch. Cargo, interior, and comfort. The interior of the F-150 Lightning is similar to that of the gasoline-powered F-150, with a few major modifications such as an extra-large touchscreen display and big front trunk luggage space. The F-150 Lightning will be available solely as a crew cab with a 5.5-foot bed at launch, but Ford may subsequently offer regular 2-door or super cab rear half-doors variants. Longer bed options may also be added to the range. Available interior features includes a push-button start, vinyl, cloth, leather, or Nirvana leather seats, heated and ventilated front seats, and also a 10-way power driver's seat. Connectivity and infotainment. The standard infotainment system is a 12.0-inch touchscreen with Ford's latest Sync 4 software, although Lariat and Platinum versions have a bigger 15.0-inch display. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, in-dash navigation, and a Wi-Fi hotspot are all included as standard features. Ford is using its collaboration with Bang & Olufsen to offer 2 distinct premium sound systems as options, one with 8 speakers in the Lariat and one with 18 speakers in the Platinum. Towing and payload capacity. In July 2019, Ford held an event to demonstrate that a prototype of the EV truck could tow a 1 million-pound line of railway carriages filled with F-150s. The production models declared maximum towing capacity as 10,000 pounds. However, only vehicles equipped with the optional extended range battery are capable of that. Standard range battery trims have a capacity of 7,700 pounds. The standard range model has a payload capacity of up to 2,000 pounds, while the extended range variant has a payload capacity of just 1,800 pounds. Range and charging. No more range anxiety. Ford claims a driving range of 230 miles per charge with a smaller 98.0 kilowatt-hour battery. Upgrading to the bigger 131.0 kilowatt-hour battery pack increases the driving range to 320 miles. Buyers will be able to charge their F-150 Lightning trucks at home using 110 and 220-volt outlets. But the truck can also be charged at public DC fast charging stations, and Ford claims it can charge from 15% to 80% of battery capacity in 44 minutes. Ford has designed the F-150 Lightning to function as a backup generator, claiming that a fully charged truck can provide up to 3 days of power to the typical family in the case of a power loss. Pricing. Which one should you get? Although Ford has released a basic Pro model with a low starting price, it lacks creature luxuries. We go for the more desired and well-equipped XLT trim. The extended range battery pack adds a $10,000 lump amount to the price, but if you intend on driving long distances or towing, it might be a sensible investment. Unfortunately, in order to add the larger battery to the XLT, you must also purchase the $9,500 high package. Fortunately, that package includes a long list of desirable features to justify its high prices, such as adaptive cruise control, Ford's Pro Power onboard generator, heated front seats and steering wheel, a power-operated tailgate, in-dash navigation, and much more. Pre-ordering the F-150 Lightning. Apparently, the F-150 Lightning pre-order count reached 100,000 in just about 3 weeks after the electric vehicle was officially unveiled to commercial and retail customers. Unfortunately, Ford F-150 Lightning pre-orders have been closed after nearly 200,000 reservations. Orders are closed on all 2022 models due to high demand. The 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning is starting production, meaning the electric pickup truck is heading to customers starting spring 2022. By comparison, Tesla's Cybertruck netted some 250,000 pre-orders for the electric vehicle in just 5 days, and GMC electric Hummer had 10,000 pre-orders for an early edition model sell out in hours. Neither truck is available yet. According to SEMA's Vehicle Landscape Report, Ford's F-Series sold more than 787,000 trucks last year and had 16.1 million trucks on the road in the U.S. Safety. Building on its impressive selection of technology, the 2022 F-150 Lightning is loaded with safety tech. Standard Ford Copilot 360 technology inspires confidence and keeps you in command of the road ahead, while available Ford Blue Cruise delivers the future of hands-free driving. Some F-150 Lightning safety features include a slew of driver assist technology will come standard with Ford's new Blue Cruise semi-autonomous driving mode available as an option. Some key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode, warranty and maintenance coverage, and more. There's no doubt this truck is going to shake up the EV truck market, especially considering the fact that the regular Ford F-150 is already the top-selling vehicle in the world. Who wouldn't want a more environmentally friendly option than the vehicle they already love? This makes the F-150 Lightning a very safe option for those still considering going fully electric, as the brand has already garnered a lot of trust from its customers with the regular F-150 vehicles. Would you consider getting an F-150 Lightning? Or maybe you already pre-ordered? Tell us in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming content from Eco Electric. Goodbye.